Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling to transfer your financial data smoothly into QuickBooks Online, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import data from Excel into QuickBooks Online in 2025 step by step. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer trying to get your books in order, this guide will make the process easy and error-free. First, let's talk about what you can import into QuickBooks Online. The platform allows you to bring in customers, vendors, chart of accounts, products and services, and even invoices or bank transactions, all from your Excel file. Prepare your Excel file. Open your Excel sheet and make sure it's clean and well organized. Each column should have a proper header such as name, email, amount, or date. Remove any blank rows or unnecessary formatting, like merged cells. QuickBooks works best with .csv format, so save your Excel file as a CSV before proceeding. Log into QuickBooks Online, go to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on the gear icon Settings at the top right corner. Under the Tools section, select Import Data. Choose the data type. Here you'll see different options like customers, vendors, products and services, and invoices. Pick the one that matches the type of data you want to upload. For example, if you're importing customer details, click Customers, upload your CSV file, click Browse, select your prepared CSV file, and upload it. QuickBooks will automatically map your columns with its system fields. Double-check the mappings to make sure, for example, your customer name matches the name field in QuickBooks. Preview and confirm. Before you finalize, QuickBooks will give you a preview of how the data will appear. This is where most mistakes happen, so take a moment to review everything carefully. If it all looks good, click Import, and that's it. Your data is now in QuickBooks Online, ready for you to manage, track, or generate reports from. And there you have it. A full 2025 guide to importing Excel data into QuickBooks Online. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more accounting and business tips, and share it with someone who's struggling with QuickBooks. Got any questions? Or faced an error while importing? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out.